All right, hello everyone again. So this video is going to be about using the calendar feature in Schoology. So once you are logged in, I'm actually going to switch over to my new account. And once you're logged in, you can go into your calendar by clicking this icon right here. You're going to click on the calendar icon. And what you can actually do is you can actually color code your classes. So as you can see, I'm enrolled in all these classes. My personal calendar, I can actually color code, let's say blue. PE, I'm going to color code green. ELA, I'm going to color code this color, and so on and so forth. So let's just go ahead and do that real quick. And uplift, general uplift, I can color code that, and then that I can color code that. Okay, so what I just did right now is I color coded all these courses. So what will happen now is as soon as a teacher posts an assignment, okay, say that I have an assignment due on the on August 6th, there's going to be for that course. So say for example, I had a math assignment due on August 6th. I'm going to have this color is going to show up here, and there's going to be an event right here that says assignment due on this date. So this is useful just to help you stay on track and organize all your courses. All right. So I can also add my own events here. So what I say, for example, I wanted to show that August 10th is the first day of school. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click, just click right here, or you can click on the plus icon right there. And August 10th, if it's the whole day, then I can just click on August 10th. If it's a specific time, then you can enter a time. Title, I'm going to say first day of school. I can add a description here or notes if I wanted to, and I can share this event with others. So say I wanted to share it with a friend or a teacher. Let's see. I don't know if I can share it with teachers. Let me see if I can share it with Ms. Barnhart. So E. Barnhart at uplifteducation.org. I'm not sure if that shared it with her. I don't think it did. So don't worry about sharing your, don't worry about sharing at uplift. Let me try this one more time. .org. Let me see if I can search for that. Yeah, don't worry about sharing with others for now. So anyways, so this is a personal event, and as you can see, it's color coded based on the blue color that I chose here. Now, an interesting thing is you can actually import and export this calendar. So if you wanted to import your Google Calendar because you keep other events in your Google Calendar, that's awesome. You can put your Google Calendar, you can get a link or a file, and you can actually import the file onto here. So you can get a URL or a file. Or if you wanted to export it like I do, I actually like to keep everything in my Google Calendar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit export, and then I'm going to click on share calendar. I can actually download this as a file, but what that'll do is it won't update automatically. So I'd like to share the file, share the calendar, and now it'll create a link. Now what I can do is I can actually copy this link, all right? And if you have an iPhone, you can actually use that link and subscribe to that calendar, and everything will pop up on your iPhone calendar. Or if you're like me and you like to use Google Calendar, so I'm going to open up Google Calendar right here, and as you can see, still loading. Let's see. So as you can see, I have a lot of events because this is how I like to stay organized on Google Calendar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this plus sign, add other calendar, and then I'm going to click on from URL and just paste the URL here. You don't want to make it the calendar publicly accessible because we don't want others to see your events. And then click on add calendar and calendar added. So now, as you can see, it's part of my thing here. So part of my other calendars here. So if I go to August 10th, remember how I created a new event on August 10th in my Schoology called First Day of School. If I go to my Google Calendar now on August 10th, I should have, as you can see here, it says First Day of School. So that's awesome. As you add events or as due dates pop up, it'll automatically sync with your Google Calendar or your Microsoft Calendar or whatever. So this is a very good resource. And I encourage that you use the calendar feature to stay organized and make sure that you have all your due dates met. You can also change it to week. So if you just wanted to look at a week and look at your schedule for the week, or if you wanted to go to day and look at just the events and what's due for that day, you can do that as well. And I hope that helped.